My name is David Pidgeon. I'm the CEO of Starpower. So Starpower is full service. We basically go from start to finish. We can do one room or we can do an entire house. We do home automation, we do audio, video, custom leather, shades. We also do flooring and appliances. Well, we have 3 showrooms in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex and 1 in the Scottsdale area. We're a luxury company. We're looking for somebody that wants their lifestyle made easier, something that is going to be easier for them to use, better quality, better availability for what they want to use it for. We're replacing shades that were just shutters basically there, and certainly made a difference on being able to see the view and to be able to enjoy the view, because the shutters not only look bad, but just weren't functional. We basically put in shades in the family room, in the kitchen, in the master bedroom, all remote shades and all working together, and then a whole house system also, which is the total control. Being able to automate the shades to come down at 25%, 50%, 75% makes a huge difference. Having the relationship that we knew that Draper would stand behind the product, that's the most important to me, and that we work with Draper as a company. I think Draper has quality products and it works. It's fairly simple, and the remotes are simple, and I think they take out a lot of the complications. So I think that's your biggest advantage is once you select what you want, you process things very quickly and efficiently, and that's what makes it easy for us.